we finally have some good injury news coming before the Philadelphia round of Supercross, and that is the number 51 Troy Lee designed Ducati rider Justin Barcia is back, or is going to be back racing. Now, obviously, we have not seen him since the opening round due to the massive crash that he had with Malcolm Stewart. And correct me if I'm wrong, if something like 27 Gs or something like that of impact. This is good. Now, do I think he's going to be right up to pace and going for the win? Probably not. Especially with how long he's been, I'm assuming, off the bike. But it's still just good to have him back. I mean, he's towards the latter part of his career. I think, and I'm not sure on this one. I think it was a 1-year contract with that team, maybe 2. So just to have him back on the bike, have another person out there, it's going to be good. I mean, if you remember, this is the opening round, and Malcolm Stewart misses the rhythm, and from there, well, he went ragdoll. It's just one of those, nobody's fault, nobody's problem. It's just a bad thing. If you, beginning of the race, everyone is super bunched up, and if one person ends up not doing the same rhythm as everybody else, it becomes, that problem of, well, he doubled and I'm tripling. I'm landing when he's where he is. There's nothing you can really do about it. And he just ended up hitting Malcolm Stewart and then lawn darting himself into the ground. And it was not good. It's been a very long time. Now, if I remember correctly here, he ended up having a couple broken vertebrae in his back. I don't remember what the full injury was, but it's good. I mean, missing a whole season for him, obviously not good. For the team, obviously not good. But to have him back now, I'm assuming get back up to semi-race pace with the last, 3 rounds that we have to go. 3 rounds, 2 rounds, whatever it is. And then I'm assuming he's racing outdoors, so it's not a bad time to come back. You get a little bit of practice against the people you're racing, but I'm just excited for this. I mean, the worst part was that right there. You can see how long he just ended up sitting on the ground without anybody checking on him. And he was, motionless other than that arm going. This is not a good look. It was not a good look for them at the time, and still bad considering, I mean, you're talking minutes before anybody even came over to see him. And it looks bad. It would look bad. This is a really dangerous sport, right? You should definitely have more of a medical personnel staff in case something like this happens. And yes, it is very few and far between, but it is the fact that, stuff like this happens and it's never a good thing. Hopefully it doesn't ever happen again. I mean, you got to be honest here, but yeah, I was right. Max impact 27.6 Gs. And you got to say, he's one of the riders that's wearing that airbag system. And this is crazy stats, crazy data to actually have. And you have to wonder how much worse it could have been if he wasn't. But we do have a quote from Barcia in a team release saying, quote, "I'm excited to come back for Supercross despite there being a lot of unknown. I haven't been on the gate since early January, so obviously a bit of unknown, but I am excited to be back with my team, seeing all the fans and getting back into the swing of things. I think it will be a good little warm-up before motocross. Obviously, it's a lot different, but a gate drop is a gate drop. It will be good to see where the bike is at and have some fun and see where we are at." Now, he's going to be racing, the last 3 rounds of Supercross, and then the opener of motocross at Fox Raceway, May 18th. Sorry, not May 18th, May 30th. Jeez, got that way wrong. So, I mean, we're a month and 8 days away from the opening round of motocross. So, mostly just time testing for that. I'm assuming, he might ride a day of Supercross in practice, but most of that time on the bike in practice during the week is going to be spent testing for outdoors. I mean, this is still a new bike. This is still a new team. It's, for him, I'm assuming, a very new team considering he's been out for most of the year. So anytime he can get like you said, a gate drop is a gate drop. Anytime you can get around the guys that you're racing at full speed, race speed, whatever you want to call it, it's going to be good. I mean, good for the team. Data, you now have two riders instead of just the one. And of course, they both like things different. So a little bit of different information coming from both of them. Hopefully he does well. I mean, I like Justin Barcia. He's obviously calmed down a lot from his younger years and the Bam Bam nickname that he earned, but we'll see where he falls. I mean, hopefully, knock on wood, no more injuries happen in these 3 rounds or, outdoors, and we'll see where he falls into the mix of things. I assume probably somewhere in the 10 to 8 range. That'd be my guess, but I don't know. That's where I'm going to leave you. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.